Hi friends, in this video I'm going to talk about some important rules in stock markets. So I read this book written by Rand and Zewish Axioms. Some of the important rules that applies in stock market across all cycles include the first one. You should always remember that all investments are speculation, right? Whether we are investing in small cap, mid caps, or large caps, the future is unpredictable. So we should always remember that any activity that we undertake with regard to investing is nothing but more than a speculation. So we are merely speculating on our investments. And number two is primarily on the greed. If you have noticed, people who lose money in stock markets, there is a common reason among all of them is on the greed part. So where they fail to book their profits too early and they want more and more and more, and they exit at the wrong time with the notional loss that they incur on their selling. And number three is about hope. Most of us hope that when a stock goes down by 50%, we want the stock to again come back to our buying price to break even. But that rarely happens in stock markets. So, where the rational thing would be that when you know that the company turns out to be a bad investment, even it's more wise to exit at 50% loss. So, where again, sometimes a company might even go to zero, where we might lose permanent loss of capital. On the other side, we expect the company to keep going up and up, where there is a hope that's again involved across multiple market participants, due to which there is a euphoria, and when the euphoria breaks, stock price breaks, right? And the other fourth important rule is about forecasting. A research had told that, so where they have tracked expert opinions over the last 30 years, they found that expert opinions are no different from dart throwing monkeys. So what this tells us that we listen to a lot of experts who talk on CNBC, NDTV, and also Bloomberg Quint, where experts come on channel and they predict the direction of the economy as well as the stock markets. But if you historically see the predictions, it's almost negligible, where most of the predictions were wrong, and they might have got it right rarely. And number four is about patents. We often see that we might have heard from our friends where we see patterns in stock markets, which may not be true. Where while we make money, we tend to think that we are able to anticipate the direction which the stock market is taking, which might in reality might be due to luck. So I would strongly recommend the users to not anticipate or form a pattern which doesn't exist. And whenever you see a pattern, you should validate with rational reasoning whether it's substantially based with logical explanation. And the other important reason is primarily in terms of consensus. So most people say that metal stocks are going up, financial stocks are performing well, Bitcoin is doing well. So there is again a consensus. So what we have learned from consensus is that people lose money altogether. So wherever there is consensus, there is a lot of hype, hope, and hoopla involved in the trade. So I would strongly recommend you to stay away from such consensus trades. And the most important thing is about making a plan. So whenever you buy a particular stock or maybe an asset, there has to be a plan. So usually people think that the plan will exactly play out in the same manner that they have written it out. But according to me, a plan is nothing but the kind of things that you've thought about. It tells the quality of your thinking as well as what are the things that you've thought about. But in reality, things might turn out south, so where you might have not anticipated such events. So where this plan would again help you to cut your downside so that again you come out unscathed. So now summarizing all these five pointers, like all investments are speculation, so you should be aware about this. So without risk, there is no return. Number two, don't be hopeful and have rational reasoning behind every trade that you're making. And number three, expert opinions are no different from a layman opinion. Number four, patterns hardly exist in markets, where our intuition might be just a normal hope that we might have got, due to which we might see that the pattern had again played out. And number five, have a plan in place so that you will be able to know when to exit, so that again you can come out unscathed. So I hope you find this 5 rules useful. I hope you will implement this in your trading journey, and feel free to share it with your friends. And please feel free to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you get latest updates to all the videos. Thank you so much, and see you next time.